Okay, so we're on to our last station, Station F, which is water and heat. I've got around actually a cup and a half of water. I'm going to dump a little bit out right now, ice water. So about a cup and a half of ice water is what I have, but I want you guys to use about a cup because it will cut down on the time it's going to take you. So I've got a cup of ice water right here, some ice cubes in it. And I'm going to go ahead and use my thermometer that I have here to get the initial temperature of this ice water. So I'm going to go ahead and get that turned on and set that in there just for a second, and we'll get the temperature of this ice water. Then I'm going to pour the ice water into my pot, and every minute we're going to see what the temperature reads. So my starting temperature for my ice water is going to be at 6 degrees Celsius. So starting temp, 6 degrees Celsius. I'm going to start a timer on my microwave really quick. And we will time this in another minute. Okay, so it has been a minute. As you can see, all of my ice cubes have melted. I'm going to go ahead and read the temperature off to you guys. So we are sitting at 66.7 degrees Celsius. So I'll come back to you guys in another minute. We want to see how long it takes for this ice water to get to a boil. All right, we're sitting at about minute 2 right now. My water is very close to wanting to boil, and my thermometer is reading 85.7 and climbing right now. So we're very close to getting that boil. I'm actually going to go ahead and leave the camera on for this one, and we're just going to wait and see when she's at a boiling point. We're almost there. We want a full boil. And almost to that point, the water is getting very aggressive, but we want full bubbles, full boil going on. And we are now at that point. So it's been about 2 minutes and 45 seconds for my cup of water, a cup of ice water, to get to a full boil. My thermometer right now is reading 96.1. Usually water will boil around 100 degrees Celsius, depending on what your pressure in your home is at. Obviously, as you can see for mine is a little bit lower than 100 degrees Celsius, sitting at that 96.1, but we've got our boiling water, and this only took 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So I think I was a little generous with the time chart that I gave to you guys, but it should be easy for you guys to go ahead and graph this one.